Hi guys, today I'm going to present the final version of my Capstone project of WD201 L11 learning management system. So let's start by implementing. Here you can see the app is live on the render. Let's start by opening it. Here the app is open. This is the home page of the app. Here we can sign up as a new user and then sign in as an existing user. This is the home page. Let's start by signing up as a new user. Uh, we can sign up as a teacher or a student. So let's start by signing up as a teacher. We can give any name like Malan, David Malan, and the password should be of 8 characters. So let's sign up. So yes, we are redirected to the educator dashboard. We can see the name of the educator displayed here, a sign out button. Then there are 4 buttons: create new course, my courses, view reports, change password. Currently there are no courses available on the platform. In my courses we can see the courses that are created by the educator himself. Currently he has not created any course. We can see David Moran has not created any course. So let's start by creating the courses. We can click on the create a new course button. Let's say we create a Python course, give it a description, best Python course in the world. Let's create the course. So yes, we are redirected back to the home page and we can see now one course is available which is created by David Malan, and in the my courses section we can see one course that is developed by him. So let's view the course. Yes, we can see the course created by David Malan, created on November 2023. Email address, description of the course. Let's start by creating new chapters. Currently there are no chapters. Let's give a, let's say, introduction to Python programming. Let's say introduction to Python programming. Let's copy it, create chapter. We gave the name introduction to that. So we can see that one chapter is created. Let's add another chapter like introduction to data types in Python. Here we will start about data types. Let's create the chapter. We can see the chapter is being created. So there are 2 chapters in this course. Let's go inside the chapter. So we can see there are no pages currently available in this chapter. Let's start by creating the pages. We can say this is the introduction to programming. We can give anything. Introduction. Let's just copy it a few times. We can give page content anything. For now I am just copy pasting. So we can see that one page is being created successfully. Let's start by giving another page like Python programming language. Let's say Python is very good beginner friendly language. Let's create the page. You can see now there are 2 pages in this chapter. So let's go back to the course. We can also add pages to other chapters also. Let's say in the data types I want to add more pages. Currently there are no pages, so in the data types we can start by integer. Integer is a data type in Python. Let's create. So let's create another like boolean. So like give me give a content for the chapter. Boolean is also data type in Python. We can just repeat it couple of times. Like float. Float is also data type in Python. That's all. Finally, string. So this page will have 4 pages. So this chapter has total 4 pages. So now I have created a course successfully, which has 2 chapters and total of 2 and 4, 6 pages overall. Let's go back to the dashboard. We can see the one course created by David Maran. We can also add another course like Python, then advanced Python also, advanced Python. We will learn about in the industry. So now there are 2 courses created by David Malan, and in the view report section we can see that he has created it. So in the view report we can see the total 2 courses are created by David Malan, and total courses available on platform are also 2. So we can also delete the course, we will do that later. Now let's start by signing in as a student. Let's sign out for now. Now let's sign up as a student. Sign up as a student. Then any name. Password should be of 8 characters. It is signing up. So yes, now I am redirected to the student dashboard. We can see here the name of the student displayed. Here my enrolled courses, like the courses that are enrolled by the student, and a change password button. Here there is also a search functionality where we can search the courses. Like if I search for any Python course on the platform, I can see there are 2 Python courses, like the Python course and advanced Python course. Then let's start by enrolling in the courses. If I want to just view the course, then in the view course, that is before enrolling, I can only see the names of the chapter. And here I am getting the message that enroll to view the content. I am not able to view any chapter. So let's start by enrolling in the course. So if I click on the enroll button, I am successfully enrolled in this course, and this action is irreversible. That is, I cannot unenroll. So now I am enrolled in this course, and in the my enrolled courses, I can see the courses that are enrolled by me. You can see Swanand's enrolled courses, and I have enrolled in Python. Currently, I have completed it 0.0%. This is how I track the progress of the course, and this course was made by David Malan. So let's start by completing the course. Now I am able to, now the message is gone, and now I am able to see the content of the chapters. Like I am able to see the pages one by one. You can see here the next page feature, next page, previous page, next page, previous page. Now let's start by actually completing the chapters. Let's say I read this and I mark as complete. So yes, this chapter is completed for me, and it is successfully marked as complete. Now I will move to the next chapter, next page. I also mark this as complete. So yes, both these pages are now completed for me, and these actions are also irreversible. Now if I go back to the course, now if I go back to the course and see how much I have progressed in the course, in the my enrolled courses, you can see that I have completed 33% of the course. How this works, how this works is I have implemented this feature on the basis of one formula: number of pages completed by the student divided by total number of pages in the course. As we remember, I created 6 pages total for this course, so and I completed 2 pages, so 2 divided by 6, that is how the course got completed. If I further decided to complete the course further, I can also see it here also, mark as complete. Next page, mark as complete. Now I have mark as complete more 2 pages. So here also next page, previous page functionalities are working fine. So if I now see how much I have progressed in the course, I can see, that I have progressed 66% in this course. So in this way, how the progress functionality is being implemented based on number of pages completed divided by total number of pages in the whole course. So let's see another feature of the student, that is change password. Here I can change here a student can change password by just entering his existing email. Like the previous password was 128. Now if I give the password 129 128456789 and set the password, you can see I am getting redirected to the home page. That is, the password is being changed successfully. Let's test it. Here I am redirected to the home page. Let's sign in. Email. So sorry. If I give the previous password, you will see I can't sign in. It will say invalid password. Yes, invalid password. So I will have to implement a new, enter my new password, that is 129. Now if I sign in, I am successfully redirected to my student dashboard page. So this was all about student dashboard. If student decides to enroll in this course also, then he can enroll. So yes, this was all about the student dashboard. He's enrolled in both of these courses. So let's sign out and just sign up as a new educator to see the popular view report function more deeply. Say we can do anything. Sorry, job password I can give anything. Sign up. Here I am again redirected to the educator dashboard. I can see there are 2 courses available on the platform. Right now I am also an educator. I have not created any courses. You can see here it says you have not created any courses. Let's get back to the dashboard. And if I try to view any other educator's course, I have implemented the feature like I am able to access the whole content and all the pages of the chapter in one go only. This is how I have implemented the feature for educator. It was different for the students. Here also we can see introduction to data types in Python. All the pages are displayed in one go. So this is how one educator displays on other educators courses. So if new educator signs up and starts creating, like if I created Java course, let's create it. So you can see now there are three courses on the whole platform: Python by David Malan, Advanced Python by David Malan, and Java Programming by Jodo. So let's start by creating pages in the chapter. Currently there are no chapters. We can create it as in the previous, as I have shown in the earlier. In the view report, we can see total courses created by you, that is Jodo. Currently he has created one course, Java programming. Students enrolled is 0, and comparing to all courses, the most popular course right now is Python, created by David Malan, because there are one enrollments, and Java programming has 0 enrollment. Therefore, this is not a popular course. And if later some students enroll, let's start by creating few students. Let's sign out for now and sign up as a new student. So we sign up, sign up, role student, first name you can use anything, gmail.com, password we can get anything. So this is also a new student. He can see all the courses, and if he wants to see if there is any other Java course available, so you can see there is one Java course created by this Jodo educator. If I clear this, it will go. Then let's say he enrolls in this course. So yes, he has successfully enrolled in this course, and in the my courses, you can see the Java programming course he has developed, and it is 0% completed by him. So if he also decides to enroll in this advanced Python course, so he will have now two enrolled courses, as you can see here, two enrolled courses. So let's sign out and again sign in as educator to see our final feature of view reports. Jodo. So to it. Let's see in the view reports. Okay, let's go to view report. So yes, now you can see in the your courses, I have created one course. Jodo has created one course. Among his courses, it is the most popular course because number of students enrolled in this course is one. But overall platform, there are three courses available. But the most popular course on the platform is Advanced Python by David Malan because it has the highest number of enrollments, that is two. Other enrollments are less than the most popular course. So here the most popular course is Advanced Python. If further this Jodo creates one more course, let's create one more course. Let's say any course for give anything for now. So now there are four courses on the platform, and in the view report total courses created by Jodo is 2, but the most popular course for him is Java programming because that course has highest number of enrollments, that is 1, and this has less, that is 0. But still the overall popular course on the platform is Advanced Python by David Malan because it has most enrollments. So this was all about the main basic features. Let's talk about the extra features implemented by me. That is the search functionality. Here we can search for any courses, like if I search Java, I can see Java. If I search Python, I can see the Python courses. If I can clear it, it will go away. Uh, Change password functionality is available both for students as well as educators. And one more functionality I have implemented is the forgot password functionality. Let's sign out and sign in. Let's say, for example, the user has forgot his password. Let's say the Jodo educator has forgotten his password. So what he can do is click on this forgot password button, and he can just update his existing password by simply entering the existing email and new password. Now he can give the new password, set password. So, and he is again redirected to the login page. Now if he tries to log in using the new password, then he can uh, then he gets login successfully, as you can see here. So this was the extra new feature. Let's see one or two extra features that I have implemented and that I want to highlight. Let's sign up as a student. Um, Different password. So now I am signed in as a student, and in the my enrolled courses section I can see how much I have progressed in the course. Let's say I have completed 66% for now, and then in some later time, the owner of the course, David Malan, decided to create an extra page. So will it affect my progress? Yes, it will decrease my progress. Let's see by actually implementing it. Uh, let's go in my course, Python by David Malan, and let's say in he added an extra page in the introduction chapter. Currently there are two pages. Let's say he added one more page, like page 3. I just keep it simple, and he added few content here, and he created this page. So now there are 3 pages in this chapter, that is one page is increased. So now there are total 7 pages in this course, 3 in this chapter and 4 in this chapter, data types, 4 data types. So there are total 7 chapters, 7 pages. So let's sign out and again sign in as a student. Let's quickly sign in. So now, and now I can see that my progress has been decreased. It was 66%, but now it is 57%. How? Because the formula says total number of pages completed divided by total number of pages in the course. Earlier there were 6 pages, but now there are 7 pages. So this is how the progress student can track his progress based on number of pages. So this was the feature I want to highlight. Another feature that I have implemented is the delete course feature. Let's sign out and again sign in as a user, educator. Let's say Jodo new password. He can in the view report he can view how many he can view, see his popularity among other courses, like his course is not popular compared to other creator courses, but his most popular course is Java programming. So let's say he wants to delete this extra course. So he will just click on the delete button, and yes, now the extra course was deleted, and now he has only one course created. Total courses available on the platform are now three. Earlier it was four. So this is how the delete functionality works. And how the delete functionality works is first the all the pages in the course deletes, then the chapters in the course delete, and then the whole course deletes. Uh, then this was a feature, extra feature I implemented. Now let's talk about the implement intuition behind the project. That how I got intuition behind the project. I compared it with the To-Do app. In To-Do app, we used to have one user, and one user used to have many to-dos. So user has many to-dos, and to-dos belongs to users. Similarly, in this learning management system, one user has many course has many chapters, chapter has many pages, and in the reverse, pages belongs to chapters belongs to course, and courses belongs to user. So I kept this high level picture in my mind, and then progress through the course step by progress through the project step by step. And for that, I created five models like users, courses, chapters, pages, and enrollments. And one difficult feature that I found was implementing the mark as complete feature. It was quite difficult for me earlier, but I implemented it successfully. For that, what I did is create a new model enrollments, which also tracks the courses enrolled by the student and pages marked as complete by the student. So then, and also the next page and previous page feature was pretty straightforward, just simple JavaScript, and I kept all the basic features that I wanted to implement in the course and progress to the project step by step. And you can see all the progress in my GitHub repo. Here you can see I have added total 9 tests. It is my last commit, and you can see there are total 35 commits. And this was all about my project. So thank you.